Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're unable to install the LockDown browser onto your computer. So this is an application used in academia that students or faculty or participants need to download onto their computer in order to lock it down to prevent use of unauthorized study materials or resources during examinations. So if you're coming across this issue in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing, it doesn't really require showing anything. It's more of an explanation. You may want to try using an alternative web browser. So try downloading a different browser or using a different browser on your computer to access the lockdown browser executable file and then run it from there. And then hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem. You may also need to temporarily disable Windows Security's virus and threat protection. So in order to do that, you would have to open up the search menu, type in Windows Security. Best match should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select virus and threat protection. You want to scroll down on the right underneath virus and threat protection settings and select manage settings. Turn off real-time protection and then select yes. Once you're done downloading Lockdown Browser and you've done your test, you can come back in here and turn it back on. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.